Welcome back, Pain Train Nation. Today, I'm going to show you how to take this and turn it into this. So first things first, you're going to need two 1.5-inch sections of PVC. These are 10-foot pieces. You're going to need one 2-inch section of PVC. This is a 5-foot piece. You need four 1.5-inch T brackets or T adapters. You need two adapters from 1.5-inch to 2-inch. And lastly, you need two 90-degree elbow joints for 1.5-inch PVC. All right, so let's get into it. We're gonna start by cutting out the pieces for our base. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need the 1.5-inch PVC. You're gonna need two pieces that are 16 inches long, two pieces that are 18 inches long, and two pieces that are 8 inches long. Let's get to it. So now we're gonna make sure everything fits together. So your 18-inch pieces are gonna go in the back. You're gonna slide right into these brackets. Your 8-inch pieces are gonna go in the middle, which will slide right in here. You're gonna have another T bracket in the middle. And then lastly, your 16-inch pieces ought to go right up in the front. All right, so next we're gonna make the arrow holders on the back. 90-degree elbow joint, which is gonna slide right on the back, just like that. You're gonna need a small, like 3-inch, 4-inch piece of PVC, which is gonna go in here. And then you're gonna use your adapter, which is gonna slide onto that. Let's get to it. All right, I lied to you guys. I only went in about 1.5 inches to 2 inches. Your adapter's gonna go on right over top, nice and flush, looks good. That's gonna slide right on the end. Boom. All right, all that's left to do now is cut our 2-inch PVC into 18-inch pieces, and that will be the arrow holder. As you can see, it's really coming together. Now we need our main support. And this is where you're gonna have a little variety in what you wanna do, okay? I shoot mostly long bows and recurves, so I'm going to need a longer support. I'm gonna measure mine out to 66 to 68 inches. For most people just shooting a compound, you can probably get away with 42 inches or more. So keep that in mind, guys. Just depends on what you're trying to shoot. Bracket is going on just like this, and all we have to do are cut our two more pieces of PVC 1.5-inch. You can cut them for 9 to 12 inches depending on how long you want them. Pretty much it, guys. The last step is you're going to want to use some PVC cement and just cement everything together, get it the way you like, and then cement it together. If you don't have that, you can do super glue. It doesn't have to be anything too fancy, but this is basically it. I will probably take some microfiber cloths and wrap them around and then zip tie up to the top part, so it's a little easier on the bows. But as you can see, guys, this is a super cheap, super simple way to make a bow hanger. If you're like me, you shoot every day, you definitely need one. It costs less than $60 in materials. It took me less than an hour with basic hand tools. You know, if you had a Sawzall, it would have taken you half the time. So until next time, guys, Pain Train out.